Greetings everyone, you're welcome once more to NAPH. If you are new to this channel, you're highly welcome. I'm your tutor, Mr. Okuki, and feel free to subscribe to the channel and send the link of the channel to somebody that needs to improve his or her skill in math, alright? So let's go right into today's question. We have simplified log 0.2 divide log 25. So it's as simple as this. Our solution. First of all, 0.2. We want to change this in fraction. So remember my point means 1, so 2 means 0. So we are going to take out the decimal. So we have this as 2 divided by 10. So, but I can see that it is reducible, so we can decompose this. So 2 into this is 1, 2 into this is what? 5. Okay, now this I can write as this. Okay, this is the inverse law of indices, alright? Remember, if I have x raised to power minus 1, I can write as this in indices. So we can write this as this, and we can write this as this. So this, in this form, has been written in this form, all right? So we have 5 raised to power what? Minus 1. Okay, now the next thing is we have 25. 25 simply means what? 5 times 5, which means 5 what? Square. Also in index form, all right? So all I need to do in this problem is I'm going to substitute this for this, and I'm going to substitute this for this. So let's do that quickly. So all this expression is going to be log. Instead of 0.2, I have 5 raised to the power of minus 1. So divide by log 25 means what? 5 raised to the power of what? 2. So now the next thing is, what can we do, or what can we observe? Is there any law we can apply here? Now we have change of what? Base law. So remember, in logarithm, if I have log a divided by log n, I can write this as log. Okay, this becomes the base here. So we have n and we have a. So all these I can write as log. This becomes the base here, so I have 5 raised to power 2, and all this comes here as 5 raised to power what? Minus 1. Okay, so that is called the change of base what? Law. Okay, so instead of a logarithm at the numerator dividing the logarithm, we've been able to make it what? Merge it as what? 1. All right, using the change of base law. The next thing we have to do here is what? By careful observation, I can see that we can still apply another what? Law of logarithm. But this one, I can recognize the power of what? Base law of what? Logarithm. Now, if we look at this base, this is the base, okay? It has what? A power, okay? So we have this law called power of base. So since the base has a power, for instance, I'm going to show if I have log a raised to power x n. So this x, I'm going to put inverse and bring it here. So x. I'll write all these. So log n, okay, base a. Now this time, since we brought the x forward, putting inverse. So this is what we call what? The power of base law of what? Logarithm. So let's apply to this. So we are going to have these 2, I'm going to put inverse. So these 2 will come in front here, which is 2. So we are going to write all this. So I'm going to have log 5 raised to power minus 1. We are going to put the base, which is 5, without the word 2. Because the 2 has come here as what? The coefficient, but the inverse. Alright? So what's our next step on this? Okay. Now, if we carefully look at the problem again, okay, I can recognize there is a law we can apply to this. Okay. And what law can we apply to that? we'll call that what the power of number law. Okay, so power of number law of logarithm. Now, if you're solving logarithm, you want to ensure that you are able to discern or know which law to apply at what stage while solving, because there are lots of laws. We have about 10, 11 laws of logarithm. So all you need to do is, practice questions, use the laws, and whenever you see when they are applicable, you'll be able to know when to use them. All right, so the power of number law of logarithm is such that if I have log a raised to power n, okay, let's say a is a number and this is the power. The power can come here as a coefficient. So we have n, I'll write log what a, okay? So we are going to also do that to this, all right? So if we do that, it means, okay, this is coming to multiply what? Our r here, all right? So let's do that. So our problems become r, okay? This comes based on the power of what? Number law of logarithm times we are left with what? Log what? 5. This is what? 5. Okay? And what can we realize from this point? Okay, now I can realize that here we have what? Same number and what? Same base. So the number and the base are now the same. So we have a law of logarithm called what? The same number and the same base law. So for instance, I'll show we have log, okay, a base a as what? 1. So it means all this is what? 1 because it looks like this. All right, so this expression becomes, we have half times minus 1 over 1. So all this becomes what? We have it as what? 1. Okay, so we have it as 1. All right, so if we multiply all these, we are going to have 1 times minus 1 times 1 is going to give us minus 1. 2 times 1 is going to give us what? 2. Okay, so this gives us minus 1 over 2 as the solution for this problem. Alright, thank you guys for watching this video. If you like watching, subscribe to this YouTube channel and share this video to somebody that is going to be of help. I'll see you guys in my